Ride-hailing apps continue to reshape urban mobility. If you're thinking of building a taxi app like the one behind the brand Hala, the key question is, what will it cost, and what do you need to build? In this video, we'll break down the major cost drivers, feature scope, and how to budget a taxi app project the smart way. What makes a Hala-style taxi app? A Hala-style taxi app isn't simply a vehicle booking system. It typically includes passenger app for booking rides, tracking vehicles, choosing service types, driver app for accepting rides, navigation, earnings management, admin/dashboard for fleet operations, payments, analytics, real-time mapping and tracking, payment gateways, surge pricing, multilingual/localization support. Because of this breadth, cost and complexity rise significantly compared to simpler apps. Cost ranges and what to expect. Here's how the cost typically breaks down depending on scale and complexity. Basic version/MVP. With core features, booking, tracking, simple payments, you might see costs around $5,000 to $50,000, depending on platforms and region. Mid-level version, with more advanced features, multiple payment methods, driver earnings dashboards, multilingual support, costs tend to reach $30,000 to $80,000 or more. Full-scale or enterprise version, with features like AI-based routing, dynamic pricing, full fleet management, multi-region support, costs can push into $80,000 to $150,000 plus, or local currency equivalents, depending on region and quality. These cost ranges depend heavily on region, platform, iOS plus Android plus web, features, integrations, UI/UX quality, and back-end scale. What drives the cost up or down? Key factors that increase or decrease cost. Platform choice and number of platforms. iOS only is cheaper, adding Android plus web adds cost. Feature complexity, real-time tracking, mapping, surge pricing, in-app wallet, driver earnings, multi-language, multi-currency, all add cost. Design and UI/UX quality, a polished interface, animations, branding, multiple screen flows cost more. Third-party integrations, mapping APIs, Google Maps/Mapbox, payment gateways, SMS/notification services, fleet management APIs, geographic/local regulatory features, local language support, compliance with transport regulation, local payment methods, team location/cost of development. Development rates vary depending on region. Outsourcing to lower-cost regions reduces cost but may require more management. Maintenance and scaling. After launch, you'll need server infrastructure, updates, bug fixes, scaling if user base grows, plan for ongoing costs. If you're planning to build a taxi app like Hala, you should plan your budget carefully. A basic version might be achievable at a modest budget, but a fully featured, polished, scalable platform will require a significant investment. If this video helped you understand the cost and what to think about, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What features would you prioritize in your ride-hailing app? Driver side, passenger side, admin side, or all of them? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.